As the question says, an aeroplane has to go from a point A to another point B 500 kilometers away due 30 degrees east of north. A wind is blowing due north at a speed of 20 meters per second. The airspeed of the plane is 150 meters per second. Find the direction in which the pilot should head the plane to reach the point B. So we need to find the direction in this part, and B, find the time taken by the plane to go from A to B. So let us first mention what we all know, that is velocity of plane with respect to air is equals to velocity of plane minus velocity of air. Let us say the velocity of plane being the resultant velocity. So we can say that velocity of plane with respect to air is resultant minus VA. Now we all have been given that the resultant velocity in the direction AB is at angle 30 degrees from the vertical, in which actually the wind is blowing, that is vertically upwards. So we have to do minus VA. So it is in the downward direction with a magnitude of 20. Let us join these points and mark this point as point D. So we have AD being the VPA. Let us do the calculations in this triangle ABD. Applying the sine rule here, which says A upon sine A equals to B upon sine B equals to D upon sine D. Let us take 20 upon, now if we assume this angle to be theta, this angle comes out to be 30 degrees being the alternate interior angles. So we can write 20 upon sine theta equals to 150 upon sine 30 degrees, giving us sine theta equals to 1 by 15, which implies theta equals to sine inverse 1 over 15 east of line AB. Now proceeding with the second part, we have sine inverse 1 by 15 implying theta equals to 3 degrees 48 minutes. So let us have the resultant R 150 square plus 20 square plus 2 150 into 20 into cos theta, giving us under root of 27886, that is 167 meters per second. Now finding out the time in the same manner as the distance upon velocity, that is 500 into 1000 upon 167, giving us approximately 50 minutes.